Hi everyone, so I had a long day at work today and my skin looks really dull and tired. So let us jump quickly into our bedtime skincare, and I'll start by washing my face and changing into something comfortable. I have washed my face thoroughly, and as I have super dry skin, I use products that can keep my skin moisturized during the night. I am starting with the Iris Skin Refreshing Cucumber Face Mist. I'll let it air dry, and this mist makes me feel so fresh with its refreshing cucumber aroma. Next step is my Iris Skin Miraculous Kumkumadi Face Oil. Kumkumadi is hands down my favorite product and recommendation for dry skin. I gently massage my face with the oil for a few seconds and let it absorb. I am topping it up with a pea-sized quantity of moisturizer. Not forgetting my lips, I am using the rich chocolate lip butter, and as you can see, well, it is definitely gliding like butter on my lips. Now I am all set to go to bed and have my good night sleep. Don't forget to make time for your skincare routine, and good night.